Hi everyone, we have with us Aparna Sharma. Hi Aparna.
I'm Dr. Aparna Sharma, independent director on multiple corporate boards, a senior HR professional, a best selling author of 3 books, a motivational speaker, and also an academician. Lots of avatars all rolled into one, which is Aparna.
Hi Aparna. As you said, you have taken a lot of avatars, right? So what is that one leadership quality that you think is underestimated?
So, in my view, I think it's humility because once somebody attains a certain position, I believe they think that they have arrived. And in my view, no matter where you are, whether you're a beginner, a fresher, mid-career person, or a CXO, you can be a leader. You don't have to have a position or a title which makes you a leader. And irrespective of where you are in the corporate hierarchy, staying grounded and being humble is always something which stands you in good stead. Because I think it helps you stay connected with people in the organization, makes you accessible to them, and you can feel the pulse of the organization. So, this has got nothing to do with only human resources. I think it's often misunderstood that people in HR need to have this and everybody else can do whatever they want. In my view, I think any leader, if stays grounded and humble, is going to go places.
Absolutely. Also, I want to know what's your take on a 70-hour, 90-hour work week. That has been a huge debate lately, right? So what's your take on that? Is that a productivity hack or a burnout trap?
So, in my view, I think I always think that mindful working and smart working is the key to success. Of course, hard work is equally important. And trust me, nobody ever died of working hard. I can vouch for that. Okay, I'm not a huge fan of 70-hour, 48 hours, 90 hours, etc. I think what is important is if you're focused on the deliverables and you know your deadlines and timelines, I think you will be more productive because you're not chasing those numbers 70, 90 in order to tick a box. You are more focused and more result oriented and focus on the deliverables and the delivery, which will not impact the quality of output. So, error free and quality of output is more important than complying with whatever work weeks according to some people or even by law. Some people achieve a lot more in shorter periods of time, but they put on themselves under tremendous pressure. Others like to pace it differently. So, to each his own or her own, doesn't really matter. But I think putting pressure on people to actually clock those number of hours will create humanoid robots rather than humans who are basically flesh and blood and also heart, which is important along with the mind. So I think the soft and the hard part of any employee actually defines the DNA and the culture of the organization. So I think you have to stop creating robots out of human beings and treating them as humans and focusing on productivity, innovation, blue sky thinking, and being more result oriented.